Silverstone, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters.
Frick, the Sanjian CL100 after so hecking long, LOX finally decides to test. I had the 521, the Zone Guard Plus, and the Bearcat set on WWF62 while I tried to catch it on the Sanjian on KWO37. After so friggin' long, what the frick? The WR100 is still active from the SGX test. It must be the lucky one today. Well, that's it for the weekly test. That was my first time ever catching NWS Los Angeles' test. So, yeah. See y'all.